Okay, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to continue solving our questions on EMFT. And the question says vector A extends from the origin to 1, 2, 3. So our vector A is extending from the origin to 1, 2, 3. So our vector can be written as 1 minus 0 is AX plus 2ay plus 3az. Okay, and the vector b extends from the origin. So our vector b will also come from the origin to a certain coordinate 2, 2, 3, negative 2. So rewriting the vector, you get 2ax plus 3ay minus 2az. Okay, the question is telling us find the unit vector in the direction of a minus b. So our unit vector, let's represent our unit vector by n. Correct. So our unit vector is going to be the vector all over the magnitude of the vector. So our a minus b is going to be ax minus 2 is going to give us negative ax minus 2ay minus 3ay is ay plus our 3az minus 2az is going to give us 5az. All that over the magnitude, that is negative 1 all squared plus negative 1 all squared plus 5 all squared. So this is negative ax minus ay plus 5az. All that divided by, in computation, you get 5.2. And this can also be written as negative 5ax negative 5ax over 26 minus 5ay all over 26 plus 25 over 26 az. Okay, so now we're going to deal with our b. So what is our b saying? Our b is saying we are finding a unit vector in the direction of the line extending from the origin to the midpoint of the line joining the ends of A and B. Okay, so let's see, we have origin, and let's say vector A, find our vector A and vector B here. So let's say distance being covered. So we are going to draw a midpoint. Let's see M. So now to get this midpoint, we can just find half of the sum of A and B. That's the distance between A and B. and that's 1 over 2 a plus b. We have our, we'll have 3, 2 plus 1 or ax plus our b is 3 plus 2 or ay plus our c is -2 plus 3 or az. That is 3 over 2 ax. Or let me leave them in decimals to make it easy as we go ahead. So 3 over 2 is going to give us 1.5 ax plus 2.5 ay plus 1 plus our 0.5 az. Okay, so now we want to find the unit vector of this m. So let me see, m, the unit vector of m is equal to m over its magnitude. So 1.5 ax plus 2.5 ay minus 0.5 az all over the square root all squared plus 2.5 all squared plus negative 0.5 all squared, and you end up getting 0.5 ax plus 0.845 ay. Here will be plus -2 plus 3 supposed to be plus, so plus 0.169 az, and that is our unit vector.